Alright, we're in the Chicago Loop. About to train horn some motherfuckers to get a tunnel. Hear that Chevy Power Cock Max exhaust.
It's not a Chevy.
I mean, Cummins.
Yeah.
No, we're in a 6-liter Power Stroke. Awesome repo dick truck. About to pull in this tunnel. It's about 100 yards long. It'll be super loud when we release a train horn. Freak the fuck out of everybody. Hear that shit? It's just a straight down pipe. Let's see, what else can I say to make this video more interesting? Whoa!
Almost.
That was
a perfect train horn moment, but we're beating it.
That was pretty interesting. We almost hit a fucking taxi cab. That guy would not made his tip money. So just to show you where we're at, we're in Chicago, exit 49B, Augusta, Milwaukee. There's some more buildings. Blah blah blah. Here it is. Here comes the tunnel. Here comes the train horn. See those brake lights? They break for the train horn.